Good day. We want to look at something on percentages. The question says a man makes a profit of 15% by disposing of an article at 1,725 Ghana cedis. What is his actual profit? Let's jump straight into it. From the question, we are asked to find the actual profit. Though we are being told that expressing the profit in percentage-wise gives us a profit of 15%. But now we want the actual money. That is the money he makes as profit. Let's jump straight into it. Before we deal directly with this one, let's look at some certain formulas that we might need. Now, talking about profit, we know that our profit is the selling price of an article minus the cost price of that article. But here we are dealing with profit percent. So we are expressing the profit as a percentage, which goes on to say that our profit percent is the profit he made, which is the selling price minus the cost price over the cost price multiplied by 100. This is the formula for profit percent. Now the question is demanding for the profit itself. Now before we get a profit, we should be able to determine the cost price before we can get the profit. The selling price has been given to us, but before we get the profit in monetary terms, we should be able to determine the cost price of the article. Now, by changing of subject, we make cost price the subject of this formula. So cost price is equal to 100 all over 100 plus profit percent multiplied by our selling price. So this is the formula we need to find the cost price. From here, our profit percent has been given to us at 15%. Our selling price has been given to us as 1,725. So from here, so this is going to give us 100 all over 100 plus the profit percent of 15 times our selling price of 1,725. This is equal to 100 over 115 times 1,725. Now, doing this will give us 1,500 Ghana cedis. So this is the cost price of the article. Now the question is not demanding for the cost price, but it's demanding for the actual profit. So now that we know the cost price and we're given the selling price, our profit is now equal to the selling price of 1,725 minus 1,500. So from this, when we subtract, we are having 225 Ghana cedis. So this is the actual profit for the man. Do follow us for more. Goodbye.